Hello everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick, and here's your political news roundup for Friday, March 4th. Florida Governor Rick Scott is free to say thanks but no thanks to federal funding for a high-speed rail system. That's the ruling today from Florida's Supreme Court. Governor Scott rejected the Obama administration's offer of more than $2 billion to build a high-speed link between Orlando and Tampa. He said Florida taxpayers would be on the hook for cost overruns and operating costs once the system was built, and that the state just can't afford those future costs. Two state legislators sued Scott, saying he exceeded his authority by rejecting the funds, but the state's high court ruled there was no evidence the governor acted illegally. Elsewhere, the legislative standoff in Wisconsin shows no signs of ending. Governor Scott Walker says he's prepared to send layoff notices to 1,500 state workers as soon as today. Scott says the furloughs are needed to help balance the state budget. They would save about $30 million. Scott says they're needed because 14 Democratic state legislators remain in hiding in Illinois, refusing to come home and convene a meeting in which Republicans are expected to approve a bill that would strip public worker unions of many of their collective bargaining rights. Good news and bad news today on the U.S. economic front. The Labor Department reported the United States added 192,000 jobs in February. That's more than triple the number from January. The unemployment rate fell to 8.9%, the first dip below 9% in almost 2 years. The bad news involves crude oil. Prices resumed their upward spike today, sending jitters through the consuming world and sending Wall Street sharply lower. Oil prices tacked down about $2 per barrel, moving near the $104 level this afternoon. The continued unrest in Libya is considered the major factor in the spike in crude. In Libya today, reports that at least 30 civilians were killed by forces loyal to dictator Muammar Gaddafi. The fighting came as Gaddafi's forces tried unsuccessfully to retake the city of Zawiya, just west of Tripoli. That's your political roundup for Friday, March 4th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for more on these and other political and financial news stories throughout the day.